Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discussing about how to convert the infix expression into the postfix expression. This is one of the applications of this tag. We'll see how we are going to convert this infix to postfix expression. Before going to explaining, I want to tell you the some of set of rules. Okay, before going to explain this, so you have to be know about the some of the rules. So which are those rules? Okay, there are the rules. It should have some precedence. Precedence is nothing but prioritize. Okay, so we have to check which are the priorities we have to give the first and which is the priorities we have to give it to the second. Okay, the first priority, or I can say the precedence of these tags are, the first precedence of this tag is what? Exponent. Okay, the first always we have to give the priority for exponent. The second priority is star and division, and the third priority is for plus and minus. These are the precedence. According to the rules, we have to solve these expressions. Okay, always we have to give the first precedence to the exponent. Okay, so before coming to convert this infix to postfix, now we'll see the what is the syntax for infix and what is the syntax for the postfix expression. The infix syntax for this to convert this expression, what we are going to do, the first one will be a what? Operand 1, and next is what? Operator, and next is what? Operand 2. Okay, so I can see operand 1 may be any variable A. Operators is a nothing but either it might be a plus, minus, division, multiplication, any operator. Okay, I can take that as a plus. The second is a operand 2, I can take B. So this is in the form of infix now. Okay, so how the postfix expression will be, we'll see that one. The syntax for this is, post means we have to apply at the last. Operator should be applied at the last. It will be like this: operand 1 and operand 2, and last will be the operator. Post is a nothing but last. Okay, so operand 1, I can say this only I will take A. Operand B, second is what? B, and operator, which operator we have used? Plus. So this is, we are converting from the infix to postfix expression. This is a small example I have taken here. Now we'll see with a bigger expression, but before that I want to tell you the some more rules are there. So how to convert that? Suppose I can take the one more example of that simple example, how to convert infix to postfix. We'll see that one first. Okay, so as I told in my previous videos, so we have to check the parentheses, how many parentheses are open, how many parentheses are closed. Okay, parentheses is nothing but like this open and closing braces, flower braces, or you can say square box subscripts. Okay, so it may be anything. Okay, but they have used like this parenthesis. We have to check how many parentheses are open, how many parentheses are closed. Okay, the first thing we have to do this when you're reading this expression. After that we have to scan from the left to right. We have to start from the left part of your given expression to right part. Okay, next we have to check that if you're getting any operand, push into the expression. Operand is a nothing but either I can say A, B, C, D. These are the operands. I can see here A, B, C, D, E. These are the operands. If you're getting any operand, you just push into the expression. If you're getting any operator, you have to push into the stack. While solving that expression, I'm going to explain you how to push into the expression, how to push into the stack. Before that, I'm going to explain this small example here. Okay, see here, what is my first rule? Check the parentheses. We have to check whether how many parentheses are open, how many parentheses are closed. Here check, see, this is a open and this is a closed here, and this is also open here, this is also closed here. Okay, always we have to give the first priority for the parentheses. Okay, so next, so among these two operators, which is having the highest precedence, as I told before, so you have to give the highest precedence is what? Exponent. After that division and multiplication, then after that plus and minus. Here exponent is not there, we have a multiplication and plus. This one we have to give the first precedence for what? Multiplication. First we have to sort out this one first. Next we have to sort with the second one. Okay. So in this, this is in the form of infix. I'll tell you how. So this is operand 1 and this is operator. Okay. And this is what? Operator 2, operand 2. Okay. So how to convert this into the postfix expression? So what will have? The operand 1, that is B, operand 2, that is C, operator is star. Remaining will be right as it is. Okay. Now this will be a like operand 1 and this will be a what? Completely operand 2 and this part will be a what? Operator. Okay. Now this is also in the form of infix. Now I have to convert into the postfix expression. How to convert this? Convert it. Operand 1 is what? A. Operand 2 is what? Completely this part. B, C, star. Which is operator I am using? Plus. Okay. This is my final result of this expression. This is how we are going to converting the infix to postfix. This is a small example I have taken, but when you go for to split the long expression, you have to apply the some set of rules. Okay. According to that, we have to solve this one. Okay. Okay, let's solve this expression. Okay. So I have divided into two parts. One is for the stack, another part is a postfix expression, because I am converting infix to postfix here. So when you're getting any operators, we have to just push into the stack. When you're getting any operands, you just push into the postfix expression. That was the rule as I told before. Okay. Now start from the left to right. Okay. Before going to sort this, we have to, the first rule is we have to check the parentheses. How many parentheses are open, how many parentheses are closed. We'll see that one first. See here, this is also here open and closed, and this one is also open and closed, and this one is also open and closed. And now come for this part. Okay, this is also open and closed here, and this is also open and closed, and this will be open and closed here. All the parentheses are equal. How many parentheses are open, that much parentheses are closed here. Okay, that is the expression is given, expression is correct. Next we'll solve. First we have to read the first from the left to right. Okay, the first is what? Parenthesis. If you're getting any parenthesis, just push into the stack. Okay, what will the next one? Second. Okay, just push into the stack. Again you're getting third, again push into the stack. When you're getting the next one is what? A. A is a what? Operand. Okay, if you're getting operand, you just push into the what? Postfix expression. What I'm getting? A is a operand. Okay, next is what? Plus. Plus is operator. So you have to push into the where? Stack. Okay, just push into the stack. Stack is a, one more thing, stack is a logically represented like this. Okay, so but I'm writing in a horizontally, so it looks like this. This will be the thing. Okay, so it looks like this, but I'm writing in a horizontally just for understanding. Okay, now after plus, again there is a one bracket, you just push into the stack. Next is what? B. B is a operand. You have to push into the what? Postfix expression. Write it here. Okay, next is what? Exponent. Exponent means we have to push into the where? Again into the, that is also operator, so we have to push into the stack itself. Okay, so now which is the topmost element of the stack? Now this is a top element of this. Suppose if I go like this, this will be like this. Okay, so this is my top of the stack. Okay, next, which is the next variable? That is C. C is operand. We have to push into the what? Postfix expression. Next is what? Closing bracket. When you reach the closing brace, you just pop out the element from the stack, push into the what? Postfix expression. Okay, so whatever I'm getting this operator, you just pop out the element. Pop out means when you reach the closing brace, I got the closing brace here, just pop out the element, just pop out the element and push it to the where? Postfix expression. This is a pop out already. Okay, next is what? Minus. Again write that one. Minus here, see here, minus. Plus and minus, these are the two equal precedence. Yes, so that was the rule as I told. Okay, plus and minus are the equal precedence. It's not having higher also, it's not having lower also. These are the equal precedence. We can write it in front of that. Okay, the plus and minus. Next is what? D. D is operand. We have to push into the what? Postfix expression. Write it here, D. Okay. Next I'm getting what? Closing brace. Here, see here I'm getting a closing brace, which is a topmost element, that is a minus. You just pop out the element and push into the postfixation, which is a topmost element, minus, erase it. Okay, which is the next topmost, that is plus, erase this one and done. Okay, next, this is also done. How many parentheses are closed here now? Next is what? Star. Star is the operator, we have to push into the stack itself. Next is what? Open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. Next is a element is what? E. E is operand, we have to push into the what? Postfix expression. Okay. Next is what? Minus. Minus. Right into the stack. Next is what? Open brace. Next incoming operator is what? A. A into the stack. Sorry, postfix expression. Next is what? Exponent. Sorry, division operator. Division operator, I can't push it here. I have to push it in the stack itself. Next is what? C. C means we have to push into the postfix expression itself. Write it here. Okay. Now, after that, we got a closing brace. Just pop out the element, push into the stack. Just pop out the element, push it there. This is a done. Next is what? Next closing brace. And this one is also just pop out the element and push into the postfix expression. This is also done. Next is what? This one. Okay, so that pop out the element and push into the stack, and this is next, this one, all will be pop out from the stack, and the stack is now empty. It doesn't have any values here. The stack will be empty. Stack will be pointing on the what? Top will be the -1 value. Now this is my final expression of converting from the infix to postfix. This is a sample example I have taken. In the next coming video, I'm going to take one more example to how to solve this kind of expression with having a equal precedence or higher precedence or lower precedence. I hope you understand it better. So if you have any doubts, please drop the comments. Okay, till then, bye bye. We'll see you on the next video.